But tonight I'd risk it all.
Arching your back.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna apologize in advance for the fire alarm noise. I've completely tuned it out, so I completely forget that it'd be going on in the background, but I know some people will be irritated by it or whatever, and I'm too short and we do not have a ladder for me to reach up there and rip it out of the socket, so sorry. Today I'm going to be bleaching my best friend's hair, and I'm going to show you how to correctly do it because I've watched a lot of these videos on YouTube and they make me cringe. So, and I can't even say like I'm not professional because I am. So yeah, we're just going to do that today. Let's get started. This is my best friend. She's going platinum. She's been platinum before.
It's picked out.
Yeah, it's picked out. You know, we just did this. We decided to do this like yesterday. It's today now when we're doing it. So it's what we're gonna do.
We're impulsive.
Yeah, Aquarius teams.
Alright.
Let's get started. So the products that we're going to be using today is this L'Oreal Quick Blue Bleach. L'Oreal 40 Volume Developer because you're trying to get her really light. And we're using, for a toner, you always want to use toner when you're going platinum or any type of blonde. If you want an ash blonde or even a golden blonde, you still want to use toner. We're using Wella T18 to give her the lightest ash blonde, and then we're using the 20 Volume Developer. Since it's a toner, you don't need a high developer because you're depositing color. You honestly could have even picked 10 because you don't need to open it to the 20 more to deposit any color. And that's that. And to finish it off, an Afro-G treatment to just keep the integrity of the hair intact because you don't want that shit falling out. So we're gonna get started. Sorry about the mess, like this was so impulsive and we're like hungover by the way. We had a crazy night, so
I'm so fucking hungry.
oh yeah, you ordered food.
Hold up. I know this is going. I'm gonna go get my phone. Check this right here.
Hola! You're stupid. So with the bleach, I don't use any specific measurements. I never have. You're not required to. I know there's specific bleaches that you might have to measure, but I've never used any, and this is not the one you have to do that with, so yeah. Just get the consistency that you want. Yeah. Hey, so now we're gonna start the application process. I'm gonna start from the end so she doesn't get hot roots, and then after I apply it throughout the end, I'm going to put it on the roots and I'm gonna let it sit for 7 hours. Just kidding. Like maybe 45 minutes. Yeah, let's get into this shit. Sure.
I feel like somebody should talk me out of it. Yeah.
What do I want to do for her? You have so much hair. Okay, so now the bleach is in Brittany's hair. As you can see, I applied it with my hands because she has really thick hair, and like we did not have a, you know, a color brush, and I like to work with my hands better because I can like see and I can make sure that it's worked through well enough. I'm just gonna set a timer for like 30 minutes, and we're just gonna keep a close eye on it. You don't want to just like forget about it because you'll end up with no hair. And then I'll be back when the timer is up. So like I said, you want to keep an eye on, you know, the hair. Since we use 40 volume developer, like her hair is lifting really fast, and the starting point is already kind of close to where we want it to be. So like instead of rinsing out the whole, you know, her whole head, we're just gonna like use cool water and spray it on that section just to like deactivate the bleach and let the rest process. Alright, so now I'm in the kitchen because Brittany's hair lifted ridiculously fast. So it's like, it went by 10 minutes, but I also took a long time to apply, and then I started the timer after I was done fully applying. So that kind of like, you know, affected it. But her hair is ready to be washed. We're going to be using the Shimmer Lights shampoo. And then once it's all rinsed out, we're going to see if we're going to have to do another application, but I highly doubt it. This is what she's looking like, y'all. Hi. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna wash her hair in the sink. So, oh, I'm really close. But now we're gonna go back to the bathroom because the bleach low-key tricked us. I mean, it's pretty lifted. We'll see how it looks when it's dry. But I think we're just gonna have to go in back to like a few spots and possibly, maybe have to do a second application. It looks really blonde on camera. But yeah. Let's go!
Take everything out in the process.
Okay, so we are gonna do another level. Just gonna lift it up one more time. We're probably not gonna leave it on that much longer. We're just gonna keep an eye on it. I'm not gonna set a timer. I'm just gonna hover over it and make sure it's not gonna fall out. Yeah, so, and then we're gonna tone it. And I'll be back because you guys know what to do. I'm just gonna go over it again, you know. Yeah. So this is a color that we got. I'm sorry if you guys can't see me, but yeah, I feel like it's really good. It's pretty even. It has a nice, you know, color to it. Now we're about to tone it. I'm gonna dry it and tone it. I think I have to dry it. I'm gonna read the directions on this toner. But yeah. yeah, towel dry hair. So it says towel dry hair. This is a toner. Color Charm Lola T18 with a developer that I showed you earlier. So the ratio is 1 to 2. So 1 part toner, 2 parts 20 volume developer, and this actually calls for 20 volume. So ignore my, you know, saying that you could actually use 10. So guys, this is the finished product. I'm just gonna do a little B-roll of it. This is right after the toner. We ended up leaving the toner in for like 15 minutes. But listen guys, this is how platinum hair is supposed to come out, okay? It shouldn't be almost green. It shouldn't be looking silver unless that's what you're trying to get. When this is dry, it'll probably be like a yellowish white. Mostly white though. And we do the protein treatment. Yes. Like it's gonna strip some of them. Yeah. The protein treatment is next. She's just gonna do that. And yeah, we'll come back with the finished results. This is really pretty. Who's and even do it? Oh, I guess I'm gonna do it. But this is the root. Looks really good. No hot roots. That's what you don't want. Even with short hair, you want to be careful to not get too much bleach on the roots, because then you'll have hot roots and that's not cute, guys. All right, we'll be back. And this, guys, is a finished product with feature Brittany's fake ass smile. Would you like to turn? Super cute, and her curls are pretty much intact. Pretty much. No, they're like actually way better than we expected. Yeah. That's it, y'all. That's how you do it. You're welcome. Good night.